No money? No problem. Get paid to make lists, and you don't even need any prior experience or skills. Watch this quick video to learn how to make $100 a day by making lists. The best part is that it doesn't matter what you list. So many people are making money from just making lists, and you can too. You can use this method on any topic you like and make $100 a day. So, watch full video to find out how. Check the description for amazing money-making hacks, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Some of us are adept at creating lists like expenditures, grocery, and to-do lists. But what if I said you can earn money creating lists? Well, making listicles isn't like listing expenses or to-do lists. Making a list of interesting and amazing topics. If you are good at it, you can earn $100 a day. Listverse.com. Listverse is a popular site that rewards $100 for every listicle. You don't need to be a writing specialist. Listverse was built on the efforts of readers just like you. Readers who didn't have any experience as writers decided to put a list together and send it in. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker, a sense of humor, and a love for things unusual or interesting. It works like this: you write your list, 10 items per list minimum, and you send it in. Just remember, your list should be at least 1 or 2 paragraphs per entry. Your list will be read and reviewed by them. And if it's amazing, it will appear on the front page of Listverse to be read by millions of people a month. If your content is approved, Listverse will pay $100 through PayPal. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn big money instantly, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.